You want to know the one thing that you need to do if you want to grow your revenue inside your t-shirt business? In this video, we're going to talk about it. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Banks with T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt businesses from home, wherever you're at. And in this video, we're going to discuss the one thing you need to do in order to grow your revenue right after the intro. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know what you do for me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Because I make videos like this all the time. And I'm truly dedicated to helping all of you guys out there cross six figures in your t-shirt business and go well beyond that. All right. And I'm here in Indianapolis right now, fresh off the GPX Expo, where we had a great time. And I had to end up staying the other extra day because the wrong flight was purchased. But nonetheless, I'm here today and I'm just getting it to sit back, kick back, and reflect on some things that happened this weekend. And the universal message that I got from talking to people, the universal message that I got from asking people in my classes questions and just having side conversations at the happy hour and just getting to enjoy being in an environment that's dedicated to growth. The one thing that I had to tell the people I talked to, no matter how long it took you to learn whatever you know. You've been in the industry for 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 1 year. And if you're not where you want to be, you need to stop coming to these events to see equipment. You need to stop looking online and trying to figure out what's next. You need to stop adding shit into your business. And if you do, however long that's been, you need to spend 10 times that amount of time building a business. Building a business is a life goal. And for your business to be a life goal, you have to carve out what you want your life to look like. Maybe you want to have $100 million in the bank. Maybe you just want to take care of your family, be able to go on vacation, be able to save, be able to have money. So maybe you got $1 million business goal. But a lot too many, and I come from a place where I can relate to it. I'm telling you, I used to fly around here hustling all the time. If you don't believe me, go back and watch those first videos. All I was doing was doing the work that I was doing every day and showing y'all what I was doing. Didn't matter what it was, I'm just cutting the camera on and playing it. There was a transition where YouTube also became a business, but it wasn't my intent. I actually accidentally made it a revenue stream. I made it a revenue stream trying to help you guys because of some of the questions you had. But if you watch the content, the business was being ran right in front of your eyes from the infancy of what I was working on. I always had to continue to hustle and hustle and hustle and hustle. I had 6-figure years, but I had to work nonstop to get it every year. It wasn't easy. It wasn't systematized. I ran the business the same way you're running the business, with no goals. No goals whatsoever. And I want you guys out there to understand, you gotta have a goal. You gotta have a purpose. Gotta have a reason to start from so that you can reverse engineer how you get there. That's the path. If not, what are you doing it for? Okay, if it's just to make money, then just be clear about that. But either way, if you want to grow, you first got to have a goal to know where you want to go, right? It could just be a revenue goal. It could be a shop size goal. It could be out the type of lifestyle you want to live goal. Then you work backwards on how to get there. Had a scenario, a guy had a DTF business and a t-shirt business and had to put it great freight. You know, hey, you got two separate businesses first and foremost. And he's also asking me about YouTube. Hey, is it money in YouTube? Hell no, it's not money in YouTube if you don't become one of the great ones. And it's not in everybody's path. And it's the same as t-shirts. You could buy all of the t-shirt equipment. You could buy all of the video equipment. And the fact that you don't put it to use at all tells me that it's just not your personality. Just because you see some people thriving and it's not that you can't get on, that just may not be your path. You can grind through it and you can make it your path, or you can find another path. So what I suggested to him was, well, you got a DTF, you sell transfers. If you want to sell more transfers, then use your platform to educate on transfers, educate people, and now you have a revenue stream. But if you think you got to get online and get some ad revenue from these videos and all of that kind of stuff, just off the bat, no, it took me 3 to 4 years to even build up a revenue stream because I don't have the viral way. And some of you guys out there aren't going to have the viral way. So what I'm telling you guys is, no matter what it is that you're trying to accomplish, you have to look at the business as a business. You got to put 10 times that amount of time that you took to learn how to actually do something. You got to put 10 more. Your life's work should be to build your business and sell it, or build your business and pass it on. Because what are you doing it for? What type of life do you want to live? I looked up one day and said, I always used to come up, one of my favorite movies is called Up in the Air. You look it up, it's about a pilot. And this pilot, he lived in like a darn near an efficiency. It was nothing in it. And he was up in the air, flying all the time. And I say, yo, I want to live like that. You know, like things don't matter. And I find myself in the middle of the pandemic. I built the business that I asked for. Nobody told me I was going to get sick of traveling. Nobody's going to tell me I was going to be homesick or just want to go home at some point. I'm on the road. People think living a dream, but no, I'm working. I'm grinding. I didn't know the other side of that. I think at the end, the pilot, you know, he met a girl and he went to her house and she had a family. He ended up being really lonely and realizing that like that was what the story was about. But whatever your goal is, good or bad, and your lack thereof is very bad. Whatever your goal is, good or bad, you will achieve. I'm telling you, even by accident, you may look up one day and realize you were doing something you loved to do from childhood. That's me. That's it. That's all. So I hope you guys got something out of this story. It's important. I'm telling you it's important. If you want to build a bigger business, you have to set a goal for your business. If you do that, you can reverse engineer your way to success. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.